are with Channel 906 Evening News Special Edition. My name is Alexis Rudia.
And I'm Stephanie Velasquez.
How are you this evening?
I am very well, thank you. How about yourself?
I'm fine, thank you. Although today's news was quite a shock.
I agree. It's amazing stuff, something that has not happened in over a century. We have a tie in the presidential election this year.
Today, we will have two members of Congress to help explain to the public controversy of the situation.
As most of us know, the election results are decided by the Electoral College. A candidate needs 270 votes to win the presidency. A tie means each candidate receives 269 electoral votes.
The last time this happened was in 1824, when none of the four candidates received an Electoral College majority. The House met the following January to decide
And now we go to Brenda to give us a look to these results. Hello, my name is Brenda Paniagua. Hope you guys are all doing great this evening. Here we have the results for our presidential election. Just by looking at the map, we can assure Romney has won, but if we pay close attention, it's a clear tie. There was also a tie between the same states, which each candidate won for. Obama won Nevada, New Mexico, Wisconsin, Ohio, which leaves Romney with Colorado, Virginia, North Carolina, and Florida. Now we go back to Stephanie and Alexis.
Here we are with Francisco Medina, a member of the Republican Congress.
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good. Thank you. So what do you think about the tie?
Since we have the majority in the House, looks like we're going to have a Republican president.
So what happens if no candidates win the electoral votes?
If no candidate receives a majority of the electoral votes, the House of the Republicans will decide for each state.
So you say that there's more Republicans, and in the House, how do you know there's no more Republicans that would change their minds?
It would be foolish to do that because the Republicans offer great opportunities for the United States.
We have Berenice Hernandez Itamake in Congress. How are you doing this evening?
Good, thank you.
So, did you expect this tie to happen?
I did not expect it to happen, even though most people thought it would.
Do you agree that it is likely for Romney to win because there are more Republicans in the Congress?
Well, since the Electoral College is still influenced by the people, the result is still hard to predict.
Thank you for your time. No problem. We will be right back after these messages.
I said, Mr. Prime Minister, I'm flattered that you love chocolate, but I'm here strictly in a professional. What's wrong with him?
He thinks you're naked.
My shell is brown. It just looks like my milk chocolate is showing. Only a fool would think I'd actually show up naked.
So it's that kind of party. Hit it!
I'm sexy and I know it.
Ay.
Look at that body. Look at that body. Look at that body.
I work out. Wiggle, 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 wiggle. Yeah.
It was interesting to see both points of view from people who are directly involved.
I agree. It's good to know the facts, and many of the best candidates win the final decision. Thank you for tuning to Channel 906 Evening News Special Edition. I'm Alexis Video.